Hello, this is Molly Billy in ATM 101 class. I am reporting on the weeks of weather observation from January 26 through January 30, 2020. My observation station is surrounded by houses and roads. My yard is on a flat area positioned on the northeast part of Bethel's center area. Bethel is 50 miles upriver from where the river flows into Kuskokwim Bay. The Kuskokwim River is south from my observation station, and the Killbuck Mountains are further east of Bethel with a distance of 64.5 miles. It was very cold this week, with temperatures dipping to the double-digit negatives. As you can see, my air temperature the first 3 days of my minimum and maximum temperatures are odd due to indoor temperature effect. I meant to take it out after each recording of collecting my recordings during our week 2 weather reporting, but the cold weather kept me indoors by the wood stove. On day 1 of my recording, the temperature kicks off below minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and as the days progress within a week, it slightly dips down in the middle of the week to minus 26 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature gradually climbs on day 4 recording up to minus 19 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies the whole week except day 4 when the temperature rose 7 degrees. While at my observation station from January 26 through January 30, 2020, I retrieved my daily temperature reading various times from 3 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Starting on day 1, D2, January 26, my maximum temperature read 61.5 degrees Fahrenheit with minimum temperatures at minus 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, this is due to indoor temperature effect as with day 2 through day 3. 1, 2, 3. On day 2, D3, January 26, my maximum temperature read 58.2 degrees Fahrenheit with minimum temperatures of minus 23.1 degrees Fahrenheit. On day 4, D5, January 29, my maximum temperature read minus 17.6 degrees Fahrenheit with minimum temperatures of minus 20.4 degrees Fahrenheit. On day 5, D6, January 30, my maximum temperature read minus 17 degrees Fahrenheit with minimum temperatures of minus 19.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is at a high of 1009 millibars and dips gradually to Let me read it again. The barometric pressure is at a high at 1009 millibars and dips considerably to 1006 degrees to 995 millibars during the middle of the week as the temperature drops to minus 26 degrees Fahrenheit. While the pressure was going down, we had clear skies throughout the week except for one day when the pressure gradually climbs back up from 989 to 999 millibars and stays consistent for a few days thereafter.